Hi guys, I'm kind of in a rush right now, but let's do this. I'm having chili sin carne, and what's nice about this is that for the whole, every 100 grams, there's only 75 calories. So for the whole box or for the whole portion, that's 300 calories. That's really low in calories. It smells so good, just like regular chili con carne. I'm very excited to give this a try. I will put some in a bowl because I have to share that with my husband. Let's see. It's still hot. I had this sitting in the oven for like 45 minutes. So I can see corn and carrots, paprika or red bell pepper, and red beans. That has a good soft texture without being overly mushy. It has it's kind of a little sour and spicy. It has a little bit of saltiness, but not a lot. It's more sour, so I think they're using more tomatoes than other ingredients to make it, you know, really low in calories. Yes, there's only 0.63 gram. Oh my gosh. There's 0.63 grams of salt. So 2.5 grams of salt for the whole box. That's pretty good. And carbohydrates is 6.5 grams per 100 grams and 26 grams for 400 grams for the whole pack. Again, guys, this is pretty good. I would not mind eating this. It has an interesting combination of texture. It is missing that meat, but I don't mind it. In general, the taste is really good. So guys, this is really good. And I would say that this is a good vegetable option if you're not into vegetables and you rarely eat vegetables, because even if it is missing the meat, it's pretty good. It actually tastes just like chili con carne minus the meat. So yeah, or one of the things that I would say, if you really want to have your meat, maybe you can add some, but still add this as the extra. That way you get your meat and your veggie at the same time. Anyway, I have to go.